Nahid Hassan here once again, and today I'm going to share another growth hacking trick by which you can actually improve your productivity. I hope all of you are doing great there. And today I'm going to talk about Asana, one of the cool tool I have ever used, and which tool actually help not only me to manage my tasks, help my entire team to be more productive. And I'm sure if you can just simply follow the system I'm working on, or you can just simply use the tool in a best way, you are going to get, or you are going to save a lot of your time, and also you are going to reduce a lot of stress you may feel to manage your task, or your entire team. So let me show you how you can do that. Here's the tool Asana, and this is the calendar view you were seeing. So this is one of the cool things I actually love about this tool, the calendar view. So before digging deep, actually I'm just I'm showing you that how you can create an project there. So I'm just showing you as a sample here. For example, this is the sales team, and oops, no, not this one. Yeah, so I'm just going to create a new project, and let's see that the name of this project is Asana video, or growth hacking tool Asana part 1. So here I have two options. Should I go with the list or both? I prefer the list. Let's go with it. And this is, you can see that there have some option: public to sales team, private to project members, and private to me. So I am a pro member, so I have this option, but if you are using the free version, you will only get this option, public to sales team. So create project there. So this here's the project dashboard, you can see. So each project actually, when I work on SEO project or some other web design development project, I actually need some information in description. So you can just write here, for example, project URL, project deadline, responsible person, monthly budget. So you may need some information like this, or whatever information you may need to manage those projects. You can just simply write it here. And another cool thing is that you can actually customize the things. You can make it bold. You can to make it bold, you can just type Ctrl B. You can make it italic. So you have some customization option here. You can also use bullet. To use bullet, you can type Ctrl Shift 7. So this is the number, and if you want to go the bullet without the number, you can go with Ctrl Shift 8. So you can see that you can work on this way. So update project. So whenever you will update the project with this kind of description, so you will get them on right. So whenever you are going on that project, you will see them on right. So now let me show you how you can create a task. So what we actually expect from a to-do list tool, we expect projects, various project adding option there, various tasks, deadlines, file attachment, follow-up task, or can be subtask as well, subtask, assigning, etc. So these are few things actually we expect from a to-do list management tools. that we need to add various projects, we need to add various tasks there, we need to set a deadline, set a file, it should have a file attachment system there. We need a follow-up task, subtask, we need to assign this task to someone else. It's actually whenever we are managing a team, and there may be some other tasks you need. So you already see, already get the idea how you can create a task here, and I already showed you how you can create various projects. So you can just simply create various team. Not only that, you can create various projects, you can also create various team by just simply adding here. So and each team can have different members, so no problem with that, and you can do all of this with your free version, so no problem with that. So you can create various tasks by just simply clicking on the enter button there, and you can also create subtasks, and you can also create some heading. For example, if it's related to web design and marketing, so I might have a section named web design, and then it can have logo, it can have template, theme setup, whatever. Then I might have a content related activities for this project, so I can go with subtask, assign content, keyword research. Then it may have some SEO tasks there, so SEO, keyword placement, link building, whatever. So you can actually simply organize the task lists by this way, and then see that what we need a deadline, right? So for example, for logo, you can assign this task to someone. For example, assigning this to myself, and the due date is, for example, tomorrow. So I set this way. I can add some description here, I can attach file here, I can hide the task, and I can also create some subtasks by clicking on this. So here's, and there are some other function you can use, that the follow-up task. This is one of the cool thing actually I love about Asana. For example, this task is not for me, this is for one of my this is one of my teammate. So what I can do, I can create a follow-up task. For example, whenever he will done with this task, the logo, then the follow-up task will be create a follow-up task, upload the logo. So you can see, for example, I can add the project here. The project is that growth hacking tools Asana. I assigned myself, the due date is tomorrow. So let's see. So you can see that the follow-up task is here. So whenever I'm clicking on this follow-up task, I can actually find the actual task here, and by clicking on that, I can actually see what's the description was there. So this is another cool thing, that if you have some tasks which are actually correlated with each other, you can just go with this way. You can create as many follow-up tasks as you need. So this is another cool things I like about Asana. So then we can attach file, we can attach by either clicking on this button, or we can just simply drag and drop. We can create subtasks, I already showed you. We can assign someone, and we can also set deadlines. So all of these things you can actually do with the Asana in your free version. But and this is kind of similar, actually you can do it with lots of other tools also. So but here are a few things actually you will love on Asana, that you can see that there have a conversion. When you are actually running a team, you can actually set up some conversion, so the teammate can discuss on that. Here's the calendar view. So okay, I'm just showing you. For example, I assign this one to someone else. The deadline is 20. I am assigning myself, deadline is 22. I'm assigning content to myself, deadline is 24. This one also myself, deadline is 29. So you can see that in calendar view, you can actually scan the entire team or entire project, that which date is going to complete what, which deadline. You can see the deadline, you can scan the entire month, you can enter the entire project. So that's a cool thing about Asana, that you can actually scan the entire project in a very stress-free way. So this is what actually I like about Asana. And also there have some progress section by which you can actually see how many tasks it has and how many completed. So you can actually identify the productivity level. But and also here's the file section. You can actually see all the files you have for that project. So if this project have 100 attachments, so you will see all those attachments in this way, and you can easily download the file you need. So this is another cool things. And here you can actually view the project on many ways. You can view the project on due date. You can see now it will sort out the project according to due date. You can see the project on task by assignee. So if you go with that, then you will see this way, that who is actually assigned for which project. So you can also add some custom fields. So that this is the pro feature, so I'm not going to cover this part for this video. But and you can also save as default view. If you feel that this is the most productive view for your team or for yourself, you can actually save it as the default view, so all of the team member will see the same way. So sorry, actually I thought that I will create this video to share how you can be more productive as an individual, but to share the system or to share the function, I actually had to add some of my teammates to show you that how it works. And I know that they are going to knock me about the task, because they don't know about the video and they may be confused that what the logo is about. So this is the thing. So you can 1 minute, you can see this my task section there, and you can actually see all the tasks completed and pending in the calendar view. So you can also scan, and if you feel that today, for example, this is the follow-up task I have created. For any reason I think I need to change the deadline, so I have two options. I can click here, can change the due date from there, or I can simply drag and drop. So this is another way. So the calendar view is one of the reason I will suggest you to use this tool, and the interface is very easy. You can customize, you can upload as many files as you want, you can add team member, it's free. And you can by using the calendar view, you can actually really scan the enter pending task you have, and you can add as many projects as you want, you can add as many team as you want. So so many software I have recommended Asana to many of my friends, and I didn't find a single person who actually didn't like Asana. So I'm sure you are also going to like this tool. And if you have any question about Asana team management or personal activities, you can just ping me, and I'm going to create another video with the pro functionalities I have. Oh, one thing I forgot about that, this is the inbox. It's kind of notification. So whenever your teammate or you are actually going to do something like completing any task or uploading new file or assigning someone, so you will see the notification here. Inbox is just like a notification, and dashboard is a is for showing the project there. But in free edition you can actually use three projects in your dashboard, but in paid it's unlimited. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video, and let me know if you have any question about Asana or about on this video. I would really love to answer all of your questions. So thanks a lot, take care, bye bye, have a growth hacking week.